Hello! Today we are at Sun Retreats Cape Cod in East Falmouth, Massachusetts. In this video I will be doing a walk around showing some of the type of sites that are available as well as some of the amenities that the campground has to offer. When you first arrive at the campground, you will go to the office where you'll pick up your packet, and they will also give you a code to use. There is a gate, so you will need to enter this code in to enter the campground. The campground offers full hookup RV sites, tent sites, as well as quite a few options for cabin rentals. There are also seasonal sites available. This is our site, which was quite roomy. We were able to fit our truck as well as another vehicle, and there were also 4 Adirondack chairs around the fire pit. It looks like they also have plans to add more cabin rentals. This new one here is pretty nice. It has an outdoor gas fireplace. It is a very wooded campground, so the sites are either partially or mostly covered by trees. We visited the campground in early June. It was overcast and a little bit cool, so not too many people were in the pool yet. But it looks like a very nice area. And they also have a separate pool for just adults. There is a very large pond where you can go fishing, and you can also do boat rentals. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching.